ka. Tapos ang maririnig mo, puro good feedbacks lang. So parang hindi mo tuloy alam kung ano yung totoo sa hindi.
Oo.
So minsan, masaya din makarinig ng totoong POV ng tao outside nung circle mo. Para at least alam mo talaga kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng tao about you.
Absolutely. And that's the only way that you can grow, di ba?
Yes, tama.
And you know, at this point, we had an amazing experience rather.
Yeah, thank you.
Just listening to your questions, being able to answer them, and talagang ang nakaka-excite kasi talagang ang dami nilang tanong. They're very, very interested. And also, thank you for sharing the metaphor ng room, di ba? We're all
Thank you so
very,
much.
very excited. And so, once again, thank you for all your wonderful questions, everybody. And of course, thank you, Stel, for sharing your music.
Thank you, Miss Kaki.
Thank you, SB19, for continuing to inspire us. And again, of course, thank you very much, Stel, for your incredible, inspiring voice. We can't wait to listen to your upcoming EP and also to your next songs. Grabe.
Let's go.
And really, thank you for continuously refining what it means to be a true Filipino gentleman in the spotlight.
Thank you.
And you know, perhaps would you love to share a few words for our dear guests and friends?
Yes, of course. Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto mo pasalamatan ng Onesie Entertainment, ang aking family, sa napakalaking suporta po na binibigay niyo sa akin everyday
Thank
from
you,
the start until now. And of course, my new family, Warner Music Philippines, thank you. Maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap sa akin ng buong buo. Maraming salamat po. And of course, sa June 16 po, ang first performance ko po ng Room sa All Out Sunday. So sana po panoorin niyo po yan. And same day din po sa birthday ko, meron na ma-feature naman po ako sa Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho. So sana po mapanood niyo po yan. Parang parang special birthday celebration.
Oo, celebration, grabe.
And then sa June 18 naman po, yung Hitman by David Foster's and Friends. Mapapanood niyo rin po ako doon. June 22 to June 20, makikita nyo naman po ako sa US and Canada tour ni Kuya Eric sa kanyang Milestone concert.
Wow!
Ako po ang kanyang guest, so magkita-kita rin po tayo sa mga pupunta po ng US and Canada anytime soon, yung mga may plano dyan. And then July naman po, meron po akong Wish Bus sa LA. So magkita-kita po tayo doon. And sa mga nanonood ngayon, magkita-kita po tayo. And of course, promote ko na rin po ang concert namin ni Julie Together. July 27 to 28, ang ating tinig, Julie Extel Concert. Kaya sana po, if you have time, manood po kayo. Kami na po bahala sa playlist nyo. And then, August naman po, EP release and nationwide tour. Yeah! Magkita-kita po tayo lahat. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat, everyone.
Grabe! As you can see, jam-packed ang schedule talaga ni Stel, and we really want to say thank you to everyone for making this amazing event and for the continued support. And once again, a round of applause for Stel, everybody. We will be looking forward to everything that's in store for you. And now, as Stel takes center stage, we would like to call and invite our media friends to kindly join us here center stage. You can go up front via the stairs here for a quick photo op. Okay?